Okay, so my final is going to have 27 questions. Each will be worth 4 points, giving us a total of 108 out of 100. For those of you guys who took the AP Stat test, the first 5 questions you answer will give you 100, all right? So let's look at this. And hopefully you read this question. It says, why is it okay to use this data for inference even though the population is skewed? Let's look at how many n is here. Remember, n is 50. 50 is a large number, and 2 to the CLT, it doesn't matter. Now here I have 40. Remember, our book says 40, AP Stat says 30, so, but anyway, n is large, so the answer is C. Okay, let's go down here to number 2. We'll see a lot of these Camelot problems. A recent government survey indicates that 22% of the people in Canada are illegally receiving some kind of formal assistance. And then they have they choose 75 people. Okay, this is a one prop. And remember, for one prop, our conditions are random, 10%, and success fail. And so these want to know which of the assumptions must be met, and it's going to be the success fail. So it's going to be D. Okay, number 3. Hopefully you recognize this as a chi-squared. They want to know the expected value for decorative sheds that have a ranking of B. So my observed value is 45, but my math is going to be 703 times 133 divided by 1404, and the answer is B. Okay, number 4. Do you see that we have a P1 and a P2? So this is a 2 prop. Because we have an HO and HA, it is a test. So it's going to be a 2 prop Z test. Oh, no, not interval. Silly Schwartz test. 2 portions T, so it's D. Make sure you don't make that mistake on the test. Okay, let's go again here to Camelot. We have 22%. We have 75 cases, and he found that 11 of these people are receiving aid. All right, so let's go back down where my standard deviation is. Remember, it's going to be P times Q divided by N, and P is 0.22. So my answer is going to be C. Which of the methods of inference is most likely to support what the king believes? Now this is an inference, so this is a test. So it's a 1 prop Z test. So the answer is B. Okay, let's go down to 7. And testing the hypothesis, mu is equal to 0 versus mu is not equal to 0. If we reject HO at 0.05, then we what? So I have to draw a so that means my p-value is going to be right here. We would also reject at 0.01, so if here is 0.01, okay, I might not do that because what if it is between 0.01 and 0.05? But what if I had 0.10? Do you see I would still reject? So my answer is B. Okay, problem number 8. Which of the following are true statements? The normal distribution and the T, no, they are not skewed. The T distribution has more spread, that is true. And the greater the degrees of freedom, the closer the T comes to normal, that is true. So it's 2 and 3, so the answer is D. Okay, let's go to A. A random sample of 188 books purchased at Books People showed that 66% of the books were murder mysteries. What's my standard deviation? So remember, this is going to be 66 divided by 188 because that is what P is. Then Q is going to be 1 minus 66 divided by 188 divided by 188. Boy, you remember this? This is from a long time ago. And then I take the square root of that. See, I already did the math for this, and so my answer is going to be D. Okay?